ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः।
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः चतुर्थः पादः।
कारके ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
ध्रुवमपाये अपादानम्
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
हेतुः
पराजेरसोडः
पराजेरसोडः
वारणार्थानामीप्सितः
वारणार्थानामीप्सितः
अन्तर्धो येनादर्शनमिच्छति
अन्तर्धो येन दर्शनमिच्छति
आख्यातोपयोगे
आख्यातोपयोगे
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
भुवः प्रभवः कर्मणा यमविप्रैति ससम्प्रधानम् रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः श्लाघन्नुस्ताशपां नीप्स्यमानः दारेरुत्तमर्णः स्पृहेदीप्सितः क्रुधद्रुहेर्ष्यासूयार्थानां यं प्रति कोपः क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयो कर्म रादीक्ष्योर्यस्य विप्रश्नः प्रत्याङ्भ्यां शुभः पूर्वस्य कर्ता अनुप्रतिगृणश्च साधकतमं करणम् दिवकर्म च परिक्रयणे संप्रदानम् अन्यतरस्याम्
परिक्रयणे
क्रयणे
सम्प्रदानमन्यतरस्याम्
परिक्रयणे संप्रदानम् अन्यतरस्याम्. We have seen, right? Or to be seen. Okay. To be seen or we have seen. Parikrayane sampradanam. Yeah. The last class we saw. Okay. Parikrayane sampradanam anyatarasya meaning? Kri means to
buy
yeah.
service.
Paripuraka kri dhatu, by which one buys. It's a vetanadikam, something right?
Yeah, vetanam swikaranam.
Yes.
Karana or sampradanam.
Yes, actually. Yes.
Wages for a limited time.
Yes, wages for a limited time. Sadhakatamam karanam. You will see something. Because karana and tritiya, karana tritiya and eto tritiya. Between these two, this is what tritiya is very difficult to find because yakshataha karakani. So whether it is eto tritiya or karane tritiya, that's we have to. There's something subtle things are there in that. Okay. Sadhakatam karanam. I think it has gone. Yeah, this is the one karane tritiya. In Siddhanta Kaumudi and the commentary to that, some interesting points are there. A little difficult to, the terms are difficult to translate. I'll try. Without translation, you will see as it is. See, sadhakatamam karanam we have seen. What is karanakaraka? Sadhakatamam karanam prakrishta upakarakam sadhakatamam, right? That's how we saw in it is given, Kashikakara given, in the website we saw. Prakrishta upakarakam. Kriya siddhau prakrishta upakarakam karaka sanyakam. Yeah, Kriya siddhau prakrishta upakarakam. Yatha Ramaha banena ravanam hanti. Karta Ramaha. Karta Rama, therefore, Pratipadikaratte linga parivana vachane pratama iti sutrena pratama vibhaktihi. Ravanam karma kartuhu ipsitatamam karma. Then bhana. Bhana is karanam or it. It is karanakaraka. And he has given the explanation we have seen before. Atra handatoho artaha. Karta is Ramaha, is anti, kills. So kriya is the dhatoho, amshadvayam asti, kriya and palam. So andatoho prana viyoga rupam palam. Separation of the prana. That is a palam result. Tadanukula vyaparascha. Tadanukula vyapara, the transaction in keeping with that, conducive for it. Atra Ramaha karta prana viyoga rupa pala ashrayatvat. Ravanaha is karma. Palam as its ashraya in Rama. That is why the dhatu is akarmaka dhatu. Pala ashrayatvat, binna pala ashrayatvat. Kartuhu binna pala ashrayatvat. If karta is the same ashraya, then it is, dhatu is akarmaka. Prana viyoga rupa palasya ashraya kutra vartate. What is the adhara for that, locus for that? It is Ravana, therefore Ravana is karma. The result of killing is seen in, or as its ashraya in Ravana. Pranaviyoga rupam palam katam sambhavati bhana pravesha samanantaram eva. After the pravesha, entry of bhana, then only prana viyoga rupa palam, then only there is separation of prana, then only the person is killed. Sambhavati, anantarameva bhavati iti banaha karanam. Tasmat karanavashakat kartarkaranayost tritiya iti tritiya vibhakti bhavati. This is sadhakatamam karanam. One example. Now, heto tritiya. You see, heto tritiya here. Adya yanena navasati. Heto. Adya jnanam vardhate. All these are examples. Atra jnanasya hetuhu vidya. Heto iti sutrena. Tutri. Tritiya syat. Hetuhu is karanam. Not karanam, karanam. Jnanasya hetuhu vidya. Vidyaya jnanam vardhate. For that sentence. Vardhate grows. What? Jnanam. How? Jnanasya. Vidyaya. Therefore, jnanasya hetuhu vidya. Therefore, ataha hetu bhutayaha vidyayaha tritiya prakrita sutrena. Then adhyayana vasati, the adhyayanam vasa sadhyam. Vasasya anantaram hi adhyayana samapti. Adhyarupa palam siddhyati. After staying vasasya gurukula vasa anantarameva adhyayana rupa palam siddhyati. Anyatra karanam adau karyam anantaram iti kramaha. Karanam is first and karyam is later. So here he says adhyayana rupa palam, that is later. Atra katam vasanantaram sampatyamanam adhyayanam karanam bhavati. After vasasya anantaram adhyayana rupa palam, the jnana prapti happens. Then katam karanam bhavati iti shanka udayati. Further samadhanam is pravritim prati ishta sadhanata jnanam karanam. Pravritti is vasana kriya. That is a pravritti. For this ishta sadhanam is ishta sadhanata jnanam is the karanam. Ishta sadhanata jnanam karanam. Adhyayanam karaniyam iti jnanam. Na syat. Vasamapi na kuryat. If the knowledge, if adhyayanam should be done, if this knowledge is not done, then it will not stay. Ataha adhyayanasya yes. Swajnana dvara vasam prati karanatvam. Atraha etu bhutat adhyayanat tritiya iti anena sutrena. Why it is not a karana? Why it is, how do you distinguish this? It's very difficult. Of course, vikshataha karakani. But there is a statement in the Siddhanta Kaumudi and the commentary also you will see. See, there is a statement, Dravya Guna Kriya, Dravyadi, he says. So, Dravya Guna Kriya Janakatve Sati Nirvyapara Savyapara Vritti Yat Tat Etutvam. The one statement is the Dravya Guna Kriya Janakatve. Dravya Kriya Guna Janakatve Sati Nirvyapara Savyapara Vittiyat Tat Etutvam. That is Dravya Guna Kriya. among these three, one of them is produced. Anyone could be dravya or guna or kriya. Okay. Among this, one could be born Janaka. Then Vyaparavan or Nirbhyaparavan. Dravya, Kriya, Guna, Janaka. Janaka means that which is produced. Janakaha, Jayate, Janakatvam, producer. Status of being the producer of Dravya, Guna, Kriya, Sati. There, Nirvyapara, no Vyapara, no transaction, no action. Or Savyapara Vritti. Yat, Tat, Yatutvam. Udaranam. Already the Udaranam we have seen. Dandena Gataha iti. Dandena Gataha. In this, Danda is Vyaparavan. Danda is Vyaparavan. Dandena Gataha meaning Gata is produced. Gata is, I'm not saying produce, otherwise you may think it's something else. Danda is for creating Danda. It is you can take this Gata is the Dravya. So Gata Dravyasya Janakaha Kaha, better to say some Gatasya Janakas Gataha Gatasya Janakaha Kaha. Gatasya Janakaha is Dandaha. So Dandaha is Vyaparavan. Vyaparavan is Vyaparavat, the one who has Vyapara, that which has action is called Vyaparavan. Vyaparavat Shabda. Vyaparavan, Vyaparavanto, Vyaparavantaha. So Dandaha Vyaparavan. Therefore, Gataha is for Gata Dravyasya. Gatasya, Gata is a Dravya, as a substance. Gata Dravyasya Janakaha, we can say like that. Gata Dravyasya Janakaha Dandaha. Therefore, Dandaha Vyaparavan. Vyaparavan or Nirvyapara. That Nirvyapara we will see. Therefore, Danda is a Vyaparavan and it is the Janaka of the Gata Dravya. So, Dravya Guna Kriya Janakathe, that which is the producer of Dravya Guna Kriya, whatever it is. Here in the case example, Dravya. Nirvyapara, that example we will see. Savyapara Vritti, Yat, that which has Vyaparavan, that is a Hetutvam. Therefore, here Danda is Hetuhu. Dandaha is Hetuhu. Another example, if you take Nirvyapara, this also we saw the example, the stock examples. Kopena Raktam Mukam. It's very difficult to we can translate it in English, all this, but it is better to understand in the Sanskrit way itself, because we understand the same words what they are. Kopena Raktam Mukam. Here, what is the Vyapara? Kopa is Kopaha, unlike Dandaha, it is not a Vyaparavan, it is Nirvyaparavan. Nirvyaparavan Kopaha, but that is the Janaka for what? The Rakta. So Rakta is a Guna. Raktasya Gunasya, Rakta Gunasya. Janakaha Kopaha. Because of Kopa, the face is red. So what Vyapara is there? There is no Vyapara involved. There is no any action involved. Kopa is a feeling. Don't say Kopa feeling is also an action, huh? Not like that. Here we are talking about an action which is something substantial which is perceived. So Kopaha nirvyaparavan raktasya rakta is a guna. Raktasya gunasya janakaha Kopaha and Kopaha nirvyaparavan. Example for nirvyaparavan. Therefore, Kopa is the hetuhu. Kopa is the hetuhu. So Dravya Guna Kriya Janakatvam. Janakatvam, the status of being the producer of Dravya and Guna, Dravya Guna Kriya. That which produces, that it could be a Nirvyaparavan or Sarvyaparavan. That is the Hetu. So definition, beautiful definition is given. Similarly, we can say like the example, Agnina Pakaha, for example, Agnina Pakaha. Paka, it is a dravya. So Paka dravyasya, Janakaha kaha. Paka dravyasya, Janakaha Agnihi. And Agni has to is Vyaparavan, Nirvyaparavan, Savyaparavan. It's not Ilvyaparavan, it's Savyaparavan. It is Vyaparavan. Agni has to convert that which is cooked into that which is kept in the cooker into a cooked thing. So Agni is a Vyaparavan. Therefore, Agni is the Hetuhu. So Agni is Hetuhu. Similarly, Bijena Ankuraha. Bijena Ankuraha. Bijena Ankuraha. Bijena what vibhakti? What tritiya is that? Vibhakti tritiya. What tritiya? Bijat Ankuraha also we can say in Panchami. What Panchami is that? Bijat Ankuraha.
Bhuva.
Bhuvav Prabhavaha. Bhuvav Prabhavaha. Jani Kartuhu, right? Jani Kartuhu Prakriti. Because Bija is destroyed and it is transformed into the Ankura, the sprout. Bhuvav Prabhavaha is not that Parvata is converted into a river, Ganga. Ganga Parvatat Parvati, that you see Ganga from the mountain. Not mountain is converted. There is no that Prakriti means the Karanam, the cause, Upadana Karanam, material cause, right? So Bijat Ankuraha we can say in Panchami, that is Jani Kartuhu Prakriti. Like Kamat Krodaha Bijayati Krodat Sammogaha Sammogat. Those are all you can say Jani Kartuhu Prakriti. Now here Bijena Ankuraha. Bijena Ankuraha Bhavati Sambhavati. Okay. Like a Dandena Kataha. So what Tritiya is a Bija. So Ankura is again, it's a Dravya. So Ankura, Dravyasya, Janakaha, Bijaha. It is the producer of that Bijaha. And Bijaha, Vyaparavan, or Nirvyaparavan, Savyaparavan. Bija undergoes changes, right? So therefore, Vyaparavan. So therefore, Bijaha is the Hetu. So like that, many examples are given. Bija Hetuhu, Shilpa Bhyasena Naipunyam, so like that. Now, this is Hetu. Now, what is the Karana? This is Hetuhu. So Eto Tritiya, by that Tritiya Vibhakti. So here, Dravya Guna Kriya Janakatve Sati, that which has either Vyapara, Nirvyapara. There's no, anyone would be Vyapara, Sabhyapara, Nirvyapara. Dati Yet, Tata, Yatutvam. In the Siddhanta Kaumudi, you can see one statement is there. Hetu Tritiya. Siddhanta Kaumudi to Bala Manorama Tika. Dravyadi Sadharanatvam. Yes. Dravyadi Gunakriyatmaka Karyatra Niya Karyatraya Nirupitam Nirvyapara Savyapara Vritti Chayayat Hetuttamiti Palati. Kriyajanaka Matra Vritti Vyapara Vritti. Okay, this we will see Karanam. This Karanam is the next one. It's giving the difference of what is Karana Tritiya, Karane Tritiya, and Hetu Tritiya. Okay. Now, the next one, Karana. Karane Tritiya. Karanam. For Karanam, the same thing. Kriya, but there is no Dravya Guna. Kriya Matra Janakatve. That is what even Balabanarama said. Kriya Janakatve Sati. Kriya Matra Janakatve Sati. So, this is Vyapara. Vyapara. Vyaparavat. Vritti Yat Tat Karanatvam. Statement given. So here Karana is Vyaparavan. Kriya Janakatva is the Karana and it is Vyaparavan. Kriya Matra Sya Janakaha. Kriya Matra Janakaha. Kriya Matra Sya Janakaha. And it is Sab Vyaparavan Vyaparavritti Matvam. Now, example, Bhanena Hanti. This is a stock example. Bhanena Hanti. So Hanti, the Kriya. Bhanena Hanti. So here, Kriya is Kriya, the Anana Kriyayaha Utpattihi. Anana Kriyayaha Janakaha. Kaha. It is Bana. So Kriya Janakaha is what Kriya? Hanana Kriya Janakaha. Hanana Kriya Janakaha is Banaha. And Banaha Sabvyapara or Nirvyapara. If it cannot be Nirvyapara, if Nirvyapara cannot be Hekarana. It is Vyaparavan also Banaha. Vyapara is it has the action, right? The Vyaparavan, that which has the Vyapara. It has its Vyapara, that is travel and piercing, and then produce the Kriya, that is Hanana Kriya, killing the Prana, Pranasya Viyogaha Bhavati. So Hanana Kriya Janakaha is Banaha, and it is Vyaparavan. Therefore Banaha is, Ataha Banaha is not Hetu, it is Karanam Iti. Okay. Similarly, other example. Banena Hanti. Let us take other example. Like Pada Abhyam Chalati. Chalana Kriya is a Kriya. Kriyayaha Janakaha Pada Abhyam. Pada. Pada does the transaction or not? Of course, Karta is there. Karta moves, but it is Vyaparavan. Vyaparavat. Vyaparaha asya asti iti. Vyaparavat. So Vyapara is there. So otherwise, Chalati, what meaning is? Chalati means what moves? There must be something which produces the action of movement. So Pada is the Vyaparavan. Charana Kriyayaha Janakaha Padaha Vyaparavan. Therefore, it is Karanam. So we have to distinguish between, okay, I'll write this. Charana Kriyayaha Janakaha is Padaha and Padaha is Vyaparavan. Therefore, Padaha is Karanam. Right? So this is the difference between Hetu and Karanatritiya. Dravya Gunakriya Janakatve Sati Nirvyapara Savyaparavirtiyat Tat Hetutvam. Kriya Matra Janakatve Sati Vyapara Virtiyat Tat Karanatvam. Okay, and Etuhu in Kashika is Kara says Pala Sadhana Yogya Padartha Etuhu. That is also a definition. That is Pala Sadhana Yogya Padartha. Kashika, if you see. Pala Sadhana Yogya Padartha Etuhu. Pala Sadhana Yogya Yaha Padartha Loke Hetuhu Uchate Tadvachinaha Tritya Raktihi Bhavati. For that is example. This is Kashika Kara example. The example what I gave in the word file, it's all Siddhanta Kumari example. But Kashika Kara gives this example. Pala Nishpattiye Yogya Padartaha Yaha Saha Hetuhu. You can see Pala Nishpatti is Pala Nishpatti Pala Praptihi. Pala Praptihi. That Padartha which is here Pala Prapti is Kulam is the Pala Praptihi. For that which is the Sadhanam Pala Sadhane Yaha Padartha Yogyaha Saha Hetuhu. Therefore Dhanam is the Sadhanam, and by that Pala Nishpattihi Kulam. Kulasya Nishpattiye Dhanam Dhana Padartaha Yogya Padartaha Bhavati Ataha Etuhu. Similarly, Kanyaya Shokaha, which is the sadhana. I mean, it is a sadhya. Pala, it is sadhya. For that sadhanam is, this is a palav. Shoka is a palav. And what is a sadhana? For that sadhana, pala sadhana, yogya padartha is kanya. Therefore, kanya is the hetu. Similarly, vidyaya yashaha. So, Kashika Kara gives his example. Siddhanta Kumari Kara gives example of Dandena Kataha. Palam api hetuhu, he says. Palam also is the hetuhu. Adhyayana Vasati, the example he gives. Okay, so two commentators give two different examples. Therefore, this also we can add in the case of hetu. Will make more. This is one hetu. Then here also. This is one which is given as by the Siddhanta Kumarikara. That is Etutvam. Second one also we can write. That is also, therefore, Etutvam we cannot confine only to this. Kashika Kara's Pala Sadhana Yogya Padartaha. Padartaha Etuhu Bhavati. This also. For that, examples are Dhanena Kulam, etc. Vidyaya Yashaha. All these examples are there in the table. If this makes sense, then take the example whatever you come across, and then try to find out whether it is Karna or Tritiya. Right? Now, Sadhakatamam Karanam, that is what this is Kriya Janakatve Sati Vyaparavritiyat Karanatvam. This is general. But Kashikakara gives Prakrishta Upakarakam Kriya Siddhau. This is Kashikara. Kriya Siddhau Prakrishta, that which is the most efficient, that is Upakarakam, Prakrishto Upakarakam Karana Sanyakam Bhavati. This is by the Kashikara. So you can keep both the definitions in mind and then find out whether in the given context. Now, this a good example is now this where in the Kashika Siddhanta Kaumadika gives this one. Punyena Harihi Drishtaha. This example is we also saw. Now, you see, analyze this example. Punyena Harihi Drishtaha. So here the Kriya is Darshana Kriya.
Darshana Kriya.
Which produces the Darshana Kriya? Darshana Kriyayaha Janakaha Kaha.
Punya.
Punyaha. Punyaha is Savyaparavan or Nirvyaparavan. Nirvyaparavan. So therefore, can it be a Karanam? Yes or no? For Karanam, what we say, Savyapara, Vyapara Vritti. Yat Tat Karanatvam. Now, therefore, here Punyena, can it be a Karanam? No. It has to be. Therefore, Ataha Hetu. I think this is what I think we are given Hetu only. Under Hetu example only, I think the table also given. You can just check. Here Nirvyapara. Therefore, should be considered as Hetutvam.
But under Hetu, both are coming, no? Savyaparaha, Nirvyaparaha.
Yes, yes. Under Hetu, both are there, yes. But under Hetu, Dravya Guna Kriya Janakatvam is there. Whereas in Karana, only Kriya Matra Janakatvam. Sometimes there will be overlap also possible. So context we have to see. That's why it's not easy, little difficult only. But Hetu is Kriya, Dravya Kriya, Guna Janakatva. Janakaha and Nirvyaparavan or Savyaparavan. Whereas Karana is Kriya Janaka, Kriya Matra Janakaha, and it is Vyaparavan. Okay.
Yes.
See, you cannot categorically say this is what it is. But to be able to, analyze and at least in the context we have to analyze, understand, and if we come across the commentator when they say how it is substantiate, that will be very interesting. Each one will have. I was teaching here from there only I started, okay, Tritiya should be better clarified. Anyway, the year on Sanskritam is basic only. In infant reader, one statement was there. Simple one. Still, but I had to get more convinced in that. I was trying to. Balakaha Kandukena.
That's fine. That's the best for our India. Yeah, the pie calendar.
Balakaha Kandukena Kridati. For example. Balakaha Kandukena Kridati. This is there in the infant reader. No. Kandukena, what Tritiya is it?
Karana. Karana.
It cannot be Saha Tritiya and all. So, Balaka Karta and Kridati Kridana Kriya. Kridana Kriyayaha Janakaha Kandukaha. Savyaparavana Nirvyaparavan. Savyaparavan. Therefore, Kanduka is Karanam. Same. So, Kriya Siddhau, Prakishta Upakarakam. No, not in this. You can place it under Karanam only, under this definition. So, yeah. Can you give more example? Tadvat. So, all these are Ta Balakaha Kandukena Kridati. Another example sentence was there. Like Kandukaha, same. Kandukaha Charmana Nirmitaha. This is Karmani Taprataya.
This is Hetu.
Heto.
No, from Charma only, Kanduka.
This is what the thinking. From Charma,
Like looking
out
like
of
Patni
Charma.
or-
Why like that? From and out has nothing to do. Okay. Thinking of not wrong, but that will make us stuck somewhere. Kandukaha Charmana Nirmitaha. It depends. You want to take it as a Charmana Nirmitaha as the Hetu. If it is Hetu, just see whether it fulfills the condition. So, ये क्रिया is निर्माण क्रिया. निर्माण क्रिया क्रियायाः जनकः कः? क्रियायाः जनकः Charman, right? Screen. Then Savyapara, Nirvyapara. It is Savyaparavan only. It is Savyaparavan, not Nirvyaparavan. Therefore, this is also, we can take it as Karane Tritiya. Okay. Understand? If you want to say Yeto Tritiya is, you can say Yeto Tritiya also possible. I'm not saying it, I'm not denying that. Possible. Kriya Siddho Yetu Prakrishtopakarakam. That is Karanam. What is Karanam? Sadhakatamam Karanam also, right? That is what we say. Sadhakatamam Karanam. Kriya Siddho, that which is the Prakrishta Upakarakam. Sadhakatama. Therefore, Charman is Sadhakatama. Therefore, Kriya Siddho, in producing the ball, in creating the ball. So, Kriya Siddho, Prakrishta Upakarakam, Charman. Nirmana Kriyayaha, Kanduka Nirmana Kriyayaha, Janakaha, Charman. Like Dandena Gataha. Right? Dandena Gataha, there, that example we give for Hetu. Okay, but here it is. Nirmana Kriyayaha Janakaha Charman. And unlike then it is Danda is Savyapara Nirvyaparavan, there it is Savyaparavan. Here Charman is Savyaparavan, Nirvyaparavan. Savyaparavan or Nirvyaparavan.
Vyaparavan.
So we can take that to be, if it is Nirvyaparavan, then it will not come under Karana. This is your Vivaksha. Nothing wrong, I'm saying. Eto Tritiya. So Dandena Gataha, Agina Paka, similarly, Palasadana Yogya Padarthaha, Yetuhu. We can say, why not? This definition itself will fit, right? So ultimately, ball, that is the Pala. For that, what is the Yogya Padartha? Charman. Therefore, Yetuhu. If you can put under this definition, this example, here also we can say the same example. mean, Nirmana Kriyayaha Janakaha Charman, and it is Nirvyaparavan, right? You can say. Or Palasadar Yogya Padatha. These two definitions you can remember. See that whether you can fit in this. Then you can say it is Hetu. Okay.
Ghata also we can say, no, Mrittikaya Ghata.
Sorry?
Mrittikaya Ghata. Pot made of clay.
What's the full sentence?
Mrittikaya Ghata Bhavati. Like Dandena
Mrit.
Ghata, Mrittikaya Ghata. Mrittika means clay.
Yeah,
Pot.
Mritikaya. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I thought, yeah, Mritikaya. Mritikaya
Ghata.
Gataha. So Gataha is the
Phala.
Phala sadhana. It's a phalam. For that Yogya Padarthaha Mritika. So therefore Mritikaya Gataha Yetu Tritiya. Yes. Similarly, Kamena Krodaha. Yetu or Karana.
हेतु निर्व्यापारम्.
Therefore, you can say Kamena Krodaha. Like Raktena Mukam. Similarly, that we can put this under that definition. Kamena Krodaha. So Krodaha. Kamena Krodaha. We can say Nirvyapara. Like Kopat Raktam, Tadvat. So Krodha Janaka, Krodhasya Janakaha Kamaha. Nirvyapara, Savyapara, Nirvyapara. Therefore, Kamena Krodhaha. Etu Tritiya. Why not? So like that we have to see. Therefore, some overlapping will be there. Remember these all these definitions. Then accordingly we can do. This Punyena Harihi Drishtaha, it is Etu. This is an this example to be analyzed. So Avagantavyam, I like this. This Punyena Drishtaha, Harihi Drishtaha is different. Harihi Darshana Kriyayaha Janakaha Yadyapi Punyaha, but it is Nirvyaparavan. Therefore it is Etu Tritiya. Okay. Get some idea, right?
Yes.
So apply this and come the examples come when you come across, then see what it is. Okay, now let us see, continue. So sadhaka tamam karanam, as we saw, the tama pratyaya is used only here, that which is the, because there could be many sadhanani for accomplishing the action. That which is the most one, that it depends on your vivaksha. That depends. Like the example, Parashana Chinati, Astena Chinati, your choice. You want to present Parashu as the Prakrishtoparakam or Hastena, that is Vivakshataha Karakani. That purely depends on your intention. Okay. Sadhakatamam karam divakarmacha parikrayane sampradana manyatarasya. Okay. Next comes Adharahadikaranam. Before that, we will read from Vivakti Lahari. They're doing this some second, you can tell what sutra is. Simple. Where are we? Yatasmin Koshtake Pullinga Srilinga Napumsakalinganam Ikara Tadinam Dvitiya Vibhaktehe Ekavachanam Rupam Bhagavachanam Tadattamasti. Simple. So Dvitiya Vibhakti is just asking the form. I think we can skip this. We can do. Now Avarane Dattanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti, right? Pita will be
Pitaram.
Pitru Shabda. Pitaram, Pitaro, then Pitru.
Pitaraha.
No, Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Oh, okay. Pitrun.
What about Matra?
Matruh only. Nakara will not
Matra,
come.
yeah, will not come. That we know, we have seen. Avarne dattanam shabdanam ditiyanta rupena ekavachra riktasthalam purayata. Now, we can analyze the sentence. Shishyaha guruhu namati. So, Shishyaha is Pratama Vyakti, Pratipadika Ratalinga Parivana Vachre Pratama. Namati. Or we can say Namati, by that what is Abhigita is Shishyaha. Abhigitatvat Pratama Vyakti. Then Guruhu is what? Karaka. Guru, what Karaka?
Ditya Vibhakti.
How it is Karma? By what Sutra? What Sutra? Ipsitatamam. Right? What is Ipsitatamam?
Most desire.
Most desire.
So what is Namati? Namati involves, that is, the body is, falls on the ground, touching the ground, or touching the feet of the teacher, right? All the kriyas are involved. The kriya, vyapara, all this kriya. Okay. Then, by that kinchit praptam ichyativa. See, kartu yetitamam karma. It is karma, of course, there is no doubt. But what is ipsitatamam? You see here. Kartuhu kriyaya aptam yat ishtatamam tat karma sagyam. Arim bhajati. Like Gurum Namati, same thing Arim bhajati. Arim is what karaka? Karma karaka. How you say karma karaka? Kriyayaha vyaparayana kartuhu yat ishtatamam tasya karma sanya bhavati. That's why kartuhu ipsitamam. Kriyaya aptam ishtatamam. So here, Arim bhajati, I think, yes, explained. Bhajana kriyayaha तुष्टि अनुकूल परिचारणात्मक व्यापारस्य फलं देवदत्तः अरौ पश्यति अतः भजन क्रियायाः संदर्भेन हरिपदार्थः देवदत्तस्य इष्टत्व रूपेण प्रयुज्यते तस्य प्रकृतसूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञा सेम थिंग तुष्टि सैटिस्फैक्शन तुष्टि अनुकूल फॉर दैट परिचरणात्मक व्यापार whatever the vyapara which is there in, in keeping with the, or conducive for the tripti. What is paricharanam? Paricharanam is chardatu, paripurvaka, paricharanam is following, adopting. Paricharanam that is. We say paricharaka, nurse and all, paricharaka, attendant, right? So following the vyapara, taking up the vyapara, which is in keeping, which produces tushti. So tushti anukula vyapara paricharanatmaka vyaparasya. Tushti anukula vyaparasya. Paricharanatmaka in the form of paricharanam, following the actions which produces tushti, tripti. So vyaparasya palam, bhajana kriyayaha vyaparasya palam, devadattaha kutra vartate devadattaha arau pashyati. So Ari is the palasya ashrayaha, therefore Ari is karmakaraka. Similarly, shishyaha gurum namati, namana kriyaya, you can say namana kriya also tushti, right? Want to please the acharya, tadvitti pradipata, and want to please. Therefore, tushti anukula paricharanatmaka vyaparasya palam kutra vartate. Palam is gurau vartate. Therefore, devadattaha, now sentence shishyaha, this namana kriyayaha, that guru padartaha, devdattasya, that is our shishyasya, ishtatama rupena prayujyate. Therefore, by that sutra, kartuhu ipsitamam karma, it is karma karaka. You have to say or think like that, then only you will know. Otherwise, sutra, but how it is ipsitamam, that becomes. See, we use a word, we use a sentence, all this. But how it is Ipsitamam? By Namana Kriya, doing Namaskara. Namaskara means you are expressing your love or you expressing your reverence, respect for the teacher. So Namana Kriya, okay, we can say Prakati Karanam, Adara Prakati Karana Nukula Vyapara Namanam, Tasya Palam Kutra Vartate, Guru Vartate. So Guru, therefore Guru becomes Ishtatama for this, the Karta Shishya. So Guru Padartaha, that Kriyayaha, Namana Kriyayaha, Ishtatama Rupena Vartate, therefore Guru is Karma Karaka by Kartuhu Yifitamam Karanam. Understand? By Namana Kriya, what you do? So every Kriya, see, Palam Anudushya na Mandopi Pravartate, right? So some Namana Kriya when a person does Namaskara. So it does in order to please or in order to show reverence. So Adara Prakashanartham, we can say Prakashanartham Namana Kriya Kartate. Adara, and that Kriya Yaha Palam Kutra Vartate. Guru only is the Kriya Yaha Palam, Guru Eva Vartate. Namana Kriya Yaha Palam, Guru Eva Vartate. For the reason Sakarma, this is Sakarma Dhatu also. The Vyapara and the Palam, which is there for the Dhatu, Nam Dhatu. Vyapara is all the actions falling on the ground. For that series of actions are involved. You do it. Then the action is completed when you fall on the ground and get up. The Namana Kriya. The Namana Kriya, that Tushtihi or Adara Prakatanam. Tushtiha, ultimately Guru is pleased. So that Kutra Vartate, Guru Padartaya Vartate. Therefore, Guru Shishyasya that Kriyayaha Guru Ishtatama Rupena Vartate. Therefore, Guru is Kartuhu Yipsitam Karanam. How do you say similarly? Bhaktaha Arihi Bhajate Bhajanamati, same thing. Here also, Bhaktaha Hari means he wants to please Hari. Bhajati or Namati, that's not big thing, right? Same thing only. So how do you say that? Tushti Anukula, can say, right? Vyaparasya, Ashrayaha, Putra Vartate, Putra Bhaktaha Pashyati, Aro Pashyati.
Aro.
Therefore, Arihi Ishtatama Rupena Vartate, Bhaktasya. Therefore, Arihi is
Karma Sanyam.
Karma Sanya Kartuhi Chitamam Karanam. Similarly, how do you say Saha Kavihi Namati?
Saha Kavim Namati. Tushtian.
Tushti Anukula Vyaparaha Namana Kriya. Tushti Anukula Vyaparasya Palam Kutra Vartate. The Namana Kriyayaha Palam. The Namana Kriya, the Dhatu has got Vyapara and Palam. Vyapara is Tushti Anukula Vyaparaha. Palam is the Palam Kutra Vartate. Palam is the result. Kutra Vartate Kavav, right? In the Kavi. Saha Kutra Pashyati. The Tushti Anukula Vyaparasya Palam Saha Kavav Pashyati. Right? That one who does Namaskara. Therefore, Tasya Krute Ishtatamam Bhavati. Tasya Krute, this Kavihi Ishta Padartaha Bhavati. Therefore, Kavihi is Karma Sanya, enjoys Karma Sanya by Karturititamam Karma. Can you say like that? Then you will understand what Karaka or how it is. Similarly, third point. Sa Murarihi Namati. How do you say, Parvatiji? Say.
Sa Murarim Namati. Atra Tushtianukula Vyapara Namana Kriyayaha Palam Muraro. Okay. Muraro Bhavati. Tasya Krute Murari Karma Sanyam Prapnoti. Karturipsitamam Karma is the Sutra Bhatis.
The Sa Pashyati, that is sa murari, that is palam pashyati, sa muraro palam pashyati, ataha murari padartasya murari padartah ishtatama rupena vartate tesham krute tasyaha krute. Therefore murarihi karma sanya bhavati kartuh yutamam. Similarly, each one of you can try. Ganesh, balakaha mata namaskaroti. Why does a boy namaskara to mata? Ganesh, you.
बालकः मात्रा नमस्करोति
No.
Mataram.
मातरं नमस्करोति द्वितीया विभक्ति.
Why does the boy do namaskara? Namaskara, the vyapara is there. The vyapara has its ashraya. It's in what? In whom?
In mata.
In mata. The vyapara has the ashraya in mata, that palam. The vyaparasya ashrayam, that is palam. Vyaparasya ashraya is balakaha. Palasya ashrayam is mata. So balakaha namana kriyayaha palam kutra pashyati matari. Therefore mata becomes ishtatama. See, person does action, right? The result of the action on whom he sees. The result of the action, he must see in some padartha, right? Suppose balakaha annam kadati. Annam is anna kadana kriya, the vyapara. The vyaparasya ashraya force balakaha. That palasi vyaparaha ashraya kutra vartate annam. That is annam becomes therefore annam padartha becomes the ishtatama. Therefore only he does take up the action of eating also, right? So ishtatama, that is anna and anne. In anna he sees as the ishtatama padartha. Therefore only the transaction is, therefore only the vyapara is. Therefore
matuh tripti or tushti.
Yes. That is that's what he sees. It's tushti what he sees. Tushti only wants to see. In whom?
In mata.
In mata. Therefore that becomes the ipsitamam. Therefore karma. Similarly, the person eats. Balakaha annam kadati. The kadana kriya could be either for appeasing the hunger or just for taste also. So tasya, that palam, that karta kutra pashyati anne. Therefore anna becomes isitama. Right? Therefore this is only for the sakarmaka dhatu. Akarmaka dhatu anyway cannot take karma. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, balika dash namaskaroti pita. So
Pitaram.
therefore pitaram becomes the ishtatama. With regard to the balika, pitra is the ishtatama. She wants to please the pita. Therefore does namaskara. Therefore pita becomes the karmakarka. Therefore ishtatamam. Right? And the website he says kriyaya aptum yat. Aptum yat, that we have to find out from the context. Like for example, namana kriyayaha aptum yat. By namana kriya, what the person wants to gain. He wants to gain the favor of the person, right? To whom he does namaskara. The action has got some expectation, some result. Kriyayaha aptum yat tat ishtatamam bhavati. Tat kutra vartate, that we have to see. Harim bhajati. Bhajana kriyayaha. Bhajana kriya is a vyapara. So bhajana kriya vyaparasya. The tushtihi. Bhaktaha kutra pashyati. Aru pashyati. Therefore Adi becomes karmakaraka. So kriyaya, bhajana kriyaya yat aptum. What is aptum? What he wants to attain, what he wants to
Get.
gain,
Gain.
what he wants to get. He wants Hari to be pleased. That is what he wants to get, right? He wants Hari, the Lord, to be pleased. That is apt. He wants Lord to be pleased. Therefore, the person sees the Lord, the Bhagavan as the Hari as the is Vyaparasya, it's a that Palasya Ashraya, that Bhajana Kriyayaha Palam Itavartate Tat Aropashyati, the Karta. Therefore, Hari becomes the Ishtatama. Okay. So Kriyaya Aptum It कर्तुः इष्टतम पदार्थः इत्युक्ते सः पदार्थः यं क्रियायाः कर्ता प्रकर्षेण प्राप्तुम् इच्छति किञ्च अस्मिन्नेव पदार्थे कर्ता क्रियाफलम् अपि पश्यति क्रियाफलं कुत्र पश्यति तत् सिंपल इट्स कॉल्ड क्रियाफलं कुत्र पश्यति कर्ता तस्य कर्मसंज्ञा भवति यथा देवदत्तः ओदनं पचति इत्यत्र पचनक्रियायाः विक्लितिरूपं कुत्र पश्यति ओदने. So he wants the vodana to be cooked. Therefore, kriyayaha palam api saha vodaneva pashyati. Therefore, pachana kriyayaha sandarbhena devadattasti ishtatamam atra vodana padarthaha iti svikriyate tasya pragdasutre karma sanya. Similarly, devadattaha gramam gacchati. Gamana kriya is a nice way of explaining. Uttara desha sanyoga anukula vyaparaha. Vyaparasya ashrayaha devadatte vartate and palam is in the grama. So Devadattaha kutra palam pashyati grame. He wants to reach the grama. Therefore ishtatamam. The very action is taken up for reaching the grama. So grama becomes ishtatama. This is in this case it's obvious. So, but here he says bhajana kriyayaha. The tushti is not explicit. We have to see the context and supply. Here gamana kriya he takes the action of going to reach some place. Therefore there it is. This is becomes ishtatama. Bhajana kriyayaha ishtatamam. It is not expressed. He wants the Lord to be pleased, therefore he does the Bhajana Kriya. So that Bhajana Kriyayaha Devadatasya Krute, that Hari Padarthaha Ishtatama Rupena Vartate. Therefore Hari is Karma. Devadattaha Apupan Kadati, Kadana Kriya. Kadana Kriyayaha Kadana Kriya Vyaparasya Ashaya Devadattaha Tasya Palam Gala Bila Sanyogatmaka Vyaparaha. Gala Bila Sanyoga means, he says Gala Bila Sanyoga, anyway it's okay. Gala is the throat, Bila the passage that goes inside the mouth, that is a Vyapara. Or you can say Kshudakshamanartham, that is the Palam also, right? For appeasing the anger. That palam kutra pashyati devadattaha apupe. Therefore apupa becomes karmakaraka. Right? Similarly, here also. Gam dhatoha vishaya is very clear. But other vishaya we have to think. Now let's take the next one. Grini Derum Namaskarati, right? Why does she does Namaskara? There must be answers. There must be reason, right? Otherwise, why should the person take up the Namaskara action? Namaskara Kriya. Why?
She
Lakshmi.
feels happy.
Yeah, they know is Lakshmi. Who doesn't want wealth? Huh? Who doesn't invite Lakshmi? So, therefore, pleasing the Denu is pleasing the Lord. Pleasing the Lord, you get your ishtam, whatever may be the ishtam, that is gained through, that is the person sees in the Denu. Therefore, Denu Namaskaroti. Otherwise, why should the person do Namaskara to Denu? Right? Denu becomes Ishta Padartha here. But through Denu, he may expect something. That is different. That is not the Vivaksha here. Here, Denu Namaskaroti. Similarly, Graminaha Udadim Pashyati. Why? What is, I mean, okay, how is this karma here? Udadim Pashyati. Udadi is ocean. Graminaha. So Tushti Rupa. Tushti Anukula Vyapara. That is, of course, for please, they get pleased, right? The Graminaha Udadim Pashyati. So Darshana Kriyayaha, the Darshana Kriya Vyaparasya Ashrayaha Graminaha, and Tasya Palasya Ashrayaha Kutra Vartate. Kutra Graminaha Pashyati.
Udadam.
Udadim Pashyati. Udadi Padar Te Pashyati. Therefore, Udadi becomes Karmakaraka. Udadim. Right? Krishnaha Venuhu Vadayati.
Krishna Venum Vadayati.
Why it is Ven? Why, how do you explain? Why it is Karmakaraka? Krishna plays flute. You can say
Pushyanupalla.
he wants to attract all the gopikas. That is not said. Okay. Suppose he wants to attract all the gopikas, all the people around. So that he sees in the Venu. Right? Krishnasya krite Venu padartaha ishtatamam bhavati. Therefore vadayati. Right? Therefore Venum. Similarly, Adhyapakaha bodhayati. Kam bodhayati, vatum bodhayati. Why? He sees bodhana kriyayaha, bodhana kriya vyaparasya, that palam, kutra pashyati, adhyapakaha. So, therefore, Vatu becomes Karmakaraka. So, Vatu and finally understands, right? Bodhayati, Bodhana Kriya is what? Bodhana Kriya is, how do you define Bodhana Kriya? Vyapara, how do you define the Vyapara? Bodhatu, Vyapara and Palam is there. Bodha involves, there is a transfer of knowledge from one person to other person. That is what Bodhana Kriya, right? So therefore, there is a transfer, there is a knowledge transfer. That is a Vyapara.
Jnana praptihi.
Jnana praptihi. Or Jnana Dana Kriya. Jnana Dana, yes, Jnana Dana Kriya. So Jnana Dana Kriya, that is the Kriya Yaha Vyaparaha Dana, Jnana Dana, or Jnana Prapti Anukula Vyaparaha, whatever it is, right? Same. Jnana Prapti Anukula Vyaparasya, Karta is Acharya, the teacher, and the teacher sees a Palam in whom?
Vatu.
Pala Prapti he is in the Vatu. Therefore, Vatu becomes Ishtatama. Therefore, it is Karmakaraka. Similarly, Snehitaha. Just like that, you try for the sentences which is given so that you understand. Snehitaha dash Ahvayati. Brataram Ahvayati. Therefore, Ahvayana Kriyaya Yaha Palam Snehitaha Kutra Pashyati Bratari. Therefore, Brata becomes Karmafinya. So you take like that. Then Chatraha Gurun. Okay, I think you can do Ravana Ditya Bhakti. Okay, it's all simple. Same thing only we have to say. Vanapalaha dash kapi duri karoti means Bhagavachanam. Of kapi will become? No. Kapeen. So here also it is duri karan. That is also the Ishtatama Durikaran means keep something from away. So how do you explain the Duri Karana Vyaparaha? You can say Duri Karana Vyaparaha or keeping something away, you know, that, what to say? That's Apanayanam, otherwise, Apanayana Kriya Vyaparasya, Karta Vanapalaha, and Vanapalasya Krite Kapihi
व्यापारफलं
Kapihi
कपौ दृश्यते
Kapi, yeah, Kapo Drishyate, Kapi Padartaha, Ishtatamam Bhavati Kapo Drishyate, Pashyati, Ataha Kapihi becomes Karmakaraka. So Kapim. Similarly, Bhaktaha Muni Namanti, same thing. Muni becomes Muni. Dhatri Shishu Palayati.
शिशुं पालयति
So Palana Kriya
पालनक्रिया
Vyaparasya Palana Kriyayaha Palam Shishu Pashyati Dhatri. Therefore, Shishu becomes, you can make it simple like that. Palana Kriya
ओके
Yaha Palam
क्रियायाः
Shisho Vartate. Shishu Pashyati Dhatri. Therefore, Shishu becomes Ishtatama. Right? Similarly, Sainikaha Shatru Marayanti.
शत्रून् मारयन्ति
मारयन्ति
So Marana, that is Kriyayaha Palam Shatrau
शत्रौ
Ashatrushu
पश्यन्ति
Sainikaha Pashyanti. Therefore, Ipsitamam Karma. Similarly, Satkara is hospitality, right? Satkara. Grihasthaha Atiti Satkaroti.
सत्कारस् तिथिं सत्करोति
Yes. Atitim Satkaroti. Satkara Kriyayaha Palam Ati Tishu Grihasthaha Pashyati.
अतिथौ
Yeah.
अतिथिषु
It's okay. Tishu
बहुवचनं
Bahuvachanam.
ओके
Chaturaha Srilinga Yukti Upadishati Bahuvachanam.
युक्तयः
No.
युक्तिः युक्तयः
No.
युक्तिः
Very good. Mukti, Mati, Mateha, Matim, Mati.
उपदिशति
Srilinga will be Dutiya Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Please note. Similarly, Kriti, Kritayaha, Kritim, Kriti.
पठति
So, Upadeshati, Upadesha Kriyayaha, Palam Kutra Pashyati, Yuktau or Yuktishu, Chaturaha Pashyati. Therefore, that becomes Ishtatamam, Ipsitamam. Chatraha Kalidasasya Kritihi
पठति
तो पठनक्रिया
पठनक्रियायाः फलं
व्यापारफलं
कृतिषु
छात्रः
पश्यति
Patana Kriyayaha Palam, you can say.
स्त्रीलिङ्गं
Patana Kriyayaha Palam, Chatraha Kutra Pashyati, Kritishu Pashyati. Therefore,
कृतिषु
Kriti becomes Karmakaraka. Tasya Kritihi Kalidasasya Kriti Shu. Pradhanadhyapakaha Nimantrayati dash.
पितॄन्
Nimantrayati means he calls, invites. Inviting.
निमन्त्रणक्रियायाः फलं प्रधानाध्यापकः पितृषु पश्यन्ति
Pitrushu. Therefore,
पितृषु पश्यति
Karyakartri Martru Melayati.
स्त्रीलिङ्गं
मिलनक्रिया
so मेलनक्रियाः फलं
Kriyayaha.
व्यापारफलं कार्यकर्त्री
मातृषु
मातृषु पश्यति
मातृषु पश्यति.
Therefore, it is sad ishtatam. Ipsidatam, I'm sorry. Last one. Yachakaha pashyati. What?
Dhatru.
Datrun.
Datrun. Same here.
Darshanak.
Kriyaya.
Yachakaha kutra.
फलं याचकः
Yacha.
Datrushu pashyati.
पश्यति.
Yes.
अतः दातृशब्दस्य कर्मसंज्ञा ईप्सितात्.
Yes. Katuhu ipsitamam karma. Then tritiya. That we will see. Now the next one we will see. Adaraha adhikaranam. Adaraha is adhikaranam. This is adhikaranam. What is the definition? What is this? Is adhikarana karaka. Let us see. We have Adaraha adhikaranam, and then we can do Adaraha adhikaranam, then Adaraha coming as anuvritti. Right? Adaraha adhikaranam. Adaraha coming as anuvritti. Same Adaraha will become karma. Then only karma karaka starts. That first we will see. Adaraha adhikaranam number 1,345. 1,4. Sorry, 1,4. Adhikarana karaka. This is the definition. Kriyam kartum karta tata cha karma. So the locus of karta or locus of karma. Okay, that could be adara. You say that karta cha karma cha etabhyam yasya adara rupena prayogaha kriyate tatkarakam adhikarana sanyakam bhavati. Kate aste stalyam pachati. 2 examples. Kriyam kartum in doing an action karta tata cha karma. Etabhyam yasya adara rupena prayogaha kriyate. Kriyate karmani prayoga. Prayogaha kriyate. Yasya adara rupena prayogaha kriyate. Etabhyam karta cha karma cha tatkarakam adhikarana sanyakam. Example, kate aste. Kate aste means
Sitting on the mat.
oh, somebody, Ramaha. So Ramasya adaraha, that kata. Therefore, that kata gets adhikarana sanya. Stalyam pachati, there what is the adara?
Stali is the adara.
Stali is adara for whom?
Vachanaka.
No. Adara for whom? Adara for the karma. Tandula is there in the stali. This is the example for the locus of karta. This is the example for the locus of karma. This is kartra adaraha, kartra adhikaranam. This is karma adhikaranam. Karma, the karma is not mentioned. Stalyam pachati means somebody cooks. In the stali, not that person is there, right? The one who cooks is not in the stali. What? The Ramaha stalyam pachati means in the stali Rama will be there. But in the kata Rama will be there, right? Ramaha kate aste. Aste is akarmaka dhatu. Therefore, it cannot take karma, cannot be possible also. Rama is in the kata, the cot. Talyam pachati means this tali, what will be? Annam, tandula. So Ramaha, tandulam, stalyam pachati. Right? That is why he says karta, tata cha karma, by these two. Yasya adara rupena prayogaha kriyate. The prayoga is done. Yasya adara rupena, adhikarana rupena, tatkaraka will be adhikarana sanya. Okay, we'll see more on this. Kriya kartum karta tata karma yasya padarthasya adara rupena upayogam krutaha prayogaha kriyate. That is what it says. Yasya ashrayana kriyam krutaha. Prayoga means action. So kate aste karta yasya adara rupena, this the kriya of sitting the person does. That adara is adhikaranam. Similarly, in this example, stalyam pachati yasya adara rupena this kriyam karoti, karta karoti, but this is adara for adhikaranam, the karma. Okay. Therefore, prakata sutrena adhikarana sanya bhavati. Yatha devadattah kate asta, you see, asana kriyayaha. Asana is an action. Asana sitting. Karta is devadattah. Asana kriyayaha karta devadattah. Asana kriyatam, for that kriya. Katasya adara adarupena upayogam karoti. Kaha devadattah. Devadatta asana kriyatam, for the sake of sitting, for the purpose of sitting. Upayogam karoti, it does the action. Kriyam karoti. Katasya adara rupena. Taking in the form of kata as the adara. It does the action of sitting. Sitting action is done by Devadatta. Katyas in the taking kata as the adara. Katasya adara rupena, in the form of kata, which is the kata, in the form of kata, which is the adara, Devadatta does the action of sitting. Therefore, kata becomes adhikarana karaka. Kata padatasya prakata sutrena adhikarana sanya bhavati. Aste iti kriya. Asana kriya. Asana kriya ya karta devadattah. So therefore devadattah karma karoti. What karma? Sitting action. Asana kriyam karoti. Upayogam karoti. Asana kriyam karoti. Kriyam karoti. Kasya adara rupena. Katasya adara rupena. In the form of kata as the adara, for the purpose of sitting, Devadatta does the action of does the action. Therefore, that which is the adara, that enjoys sanya adhikaranam. For definition is adara adhikaranam. Similarly, evameva devadattah stalyam odanam pachati. Here pachana kriya vyaparasya ashraya devadattah. There is no doubt. But karma, that palam is where pachana kriyayaha karma is palam. Putra vartate odanam. Odanam is the karma, and that is stalyayaha ashayena vidyate. Where is the odanam? It is in the stali. Stalyam. Therefore stalyayaha adara rupena, this pachana kriyam karoti devadattah. Therefore, stali is the adara adhikarana for, not for devadatta, that is for the odana. Therefore, ataha karmanaha adara bhutasya. Previous one was kartuhu adara bhutasya. That is what he said, katasya adara bhutasya, adara rupena. This is karmanaha adara bhutena, stali padarthasya prakita sutrena adhikarana sanya bhavati. Karma is in the form of the adara adhikarana, and karma is here. Karma is odanam, for which the adara is stali. So karmanaha, odana karmanaha, adara bhutasya, stali, padarthasya, prakita sutrena adhikarana sanya bhavati. Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
So kartuhu adara bhutaha bhavati chet adhikarana sanya. Karmanaha adara bhutaha bhavati chet abhi karma sanya, adhikarana sanya. It can be for karta or it can be for karma. Okay. That's adaraha adhikaranam. Now adaraha ityasya vyutpattihi. Adriyante asmin iti adaraha. This is adgai pratyaya. Bhave gai, you can say, or he has given the practical sutra. Adriyante asmin iti asmin kriyayaha iti adaraha. A upasargat dring dhatu avasthane iti dhatoho by the sutra 33112. This is under कृदन्त प्रकरणम् अधिकरणे घञ् प्रत्ययः कृते आधारः इति शब्दः सिद्ध्यति यः पदार्थः अन्यान् आश्रयं ददाति आश्रयम् इज लिटरली आश्रयम् इट्स अधिकरण आधारः सः आधारः संज्ञकः भवति इति अन्यान् आश्रयं ददाति प्रकृतसूत्रम् आधारः अधिकरणम् इति तु कारक अधिकार विद्यते अतः यस्य सूत्रस्य संदर्भेण अस्य सूत्रस्य संदर्भेण क्रियायाः आधारस्य आश्रयस्य लोकस द लोकस ऑफ एक्शन दैट इज व्हाट वी से लोकस ऑफ एक्शन ग्रहणम् एव संयुक्तिकं भाति परन्तु क्रिया इत्युक्ते फलं व्यापारश्च already we saw dhatu has got these two meaning किंच तत्र फलं कर्मणः आश्रयेण तिष्ठति व्यापारः च कर्तुः आश्रयेण तिष्ठति this we know व्यापारस्य आश्रयः कर्ता फलस्य आश्रयः कर्म but here what we say अतः अत्र क्रियायाः आधारः इति अनेन कर्ता कर्म च गृह्यते so क्रिया परन्तु क्रिया इति युक्ते फलं व्यापारश्च तत्र फलं कर्मणः आश्रयेण तिष्ठति व्यापारः कर्तुः आश्रयति बट हियर क्रियायाः आधारः एतयोः पुनः अधिकरणसंज्ञा न कश्चन लाभः अतः क्रियायाः आश्रयति अनेन व्यापार आश्रयः यः कर्ता तस्यापि आश्रयः that is what we have to take that is the meaning व्यापारस्य आश्रयः यः कर्ता भवति तस्य आश्रयः यः सः एव अधिक आधारः इट्स वेरी गुड ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस सिमिलरली फलस्य आश्रयं कुत्र वर्तते कर्मणि कर्म कर्मस्यापि यत् यः आश्रयः भवति दट इज द आधार अधिकरण लाइक दिस स्थाल्यां पचति पचति पचनक्रियायाः फलं कुत्र वर्तते ओदनम् in the form of विक्लिति रूपम् etc right that is the result which falls on the odana the karma what is the adhara of the karma that will be adhikaranam similarly kate aste kata vyaparasya that aste vyaparasya ashrayah karta ramah for example ramasya api ashrayah yah vartate tasya adhikaran संज्ञा भवति we can take like that it's a good it's easy in fact that's why kriyayaah adharah not vyaparasya adharah not palasya adharah kriyayaah adharah that is what he explains here nicely here vyaparasya ashrayah adharah karta palasya adharah ashrayah karma but kriyayaah adharah when we say that has to be either karta who is the pala ashrayah or karma which is the pala which is a pala ashrayam karta which is the vyapara ashraya so vyaparasya yah karta that is kartuhu ashrayah that is adharah karmanah ashrayah api adharah that's what I said kartuhu कर्मणः च यः आधारः भवति सः अधिकरण संज्ञा ज्ञायते okay so good you can understand kriyayaः आधारः if you understand it is fine otherwise you understand this way this also is very good
But both cannot come in one same sentence. Kartru and karma adhara. In a single sentence, it cannot come.
you cannot say like that it's possible no why it is
Dharmakaha means we can tell I think
not that may be possible the context we have to know we cannot say impossible not possible because we have not analyzed yet
yeah
only two examples kate aste thalyam pachati can karta have an
akarmaka sakarmaka
so akarmaka karma will not be there therefore karmanah ashrayah will not be there
yeah
Therefore, that is ruled out. But suppose if karta and karma are sit in the same locus, there could be something like that possible, no?
Oh.
See, Ramaha kataya aste, kartuhu ashrayaha kata. Ramaha stalyam pachati, odanam pachati, odanas, which is karma, karmanaha ashrayaha stali.
Samshaya. Yeah.
But there could be an adhara, radhikanam, where karta and the karma, that is, vyaparasya ashraya karta and palasya ashrayam karma, both can be there in the same locus, possible, no? You have to think of some example like that.
Yeah. When we come across that type of things, we can
It
see.
is possible, right? Why? How can we say it is not there? I'm not sure about that. Cannot rule out. Maybe possible. That just I'm thinking how it could be.
When we come across some context, we can.
Ramaha vrikshe phalam pashyati.
Say again, Ramaha.
Ramaha vrikshe phalam pashyati.
Ramaha vrikshe. That okay. Vriksha is there, right? What adhara is? Kartuhu adharaha va karma adharaha. So it is ashraya for palam, right? Not karta is not, Rama is not in the vriksha. But where are the fruits? They are in the vriksha. Therefore, it is the ashraya of the karma, right? Karma adharaha. So,
Not karma.
Therefore, karta is not there. Karta also should be in the vriksha, right? Then we can say. I'm just thinking any example possible. Okay. Suppose if I say, I'm just thinking, okay, just one example comes, but I'm not sure whether it get analyzed. Ramaha grihe patati.
Okay.
Right? Ramaha grihe patati. So, patana kriyayaha, now, patana kriya vyaparasya ashreha Ramaha karta.
Ramaha karta.
And grihe patati. Okay. Then
Ramaha grihe pustakam patati. Can we see?
yeah, I thought, but then if you take that, Ramaha grihe pustakam patati. Now griha is adhara for whom? Karta, Ramaha or karma pustakam. Your vivaksha, no? Possible. Griha, Rama is in the house. You can say Ramaha grihe pustakam patati. Right? Griha and pustakam, that is in the house. Not in the library. Huh?
Yeah.
So, griha is that in the griha the pustakam is possible, no? Here, how do you see which one you griha? Which one you will connect? Karta or karma? Rama or pustaka?
Both we can.
Ramaha grihe pustakam padati. Possible both. I think so. Maybe little to think, but there any flaws in there in the thinking. We have to check. So, Devadattaha stalyam odanam pachati, karma odanam stalyayaha ashrayena vartate. But Ramaha grihe, it's more of karta adhikaranam. Karta is in the griha. Pustakam also in the griha, we can say. Why not? Possible. It's maybe possible. Okay.
Here he has given Devadattaha stalyam odanam pachati.
Hmm.
So
Of
two
course, the
karmas
Odanam
are
has to
there.
be in this Tali, not Devadatta. Right? And the Odanam has to be in the Tali. Devadatta
Oh,
cannot be in
karma.
this Tali.
Yeah.
Our example, Devadattaha Grihe Pustakam Patati. So Pustakam can be in the Griha or Devadatta could be in the Griha. Possible, why not? Right? We
Yeah.
can connect Griha to either Devadatta or we can connect Griha to Pustaka. Devadatta reads book in the house. Possible.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Then therefore Kriyayaha Adaraha Adhikaranam. That could be of the Karta or could be Karma. Now, Atayeva, next point. Kaumadyamapi, from here I'm reading. Kartri Karma Dvara Tanishta Kriyayaha Adaraha iti vachanena Adhikarana Sanya Nyapita Asti. Kartri Karma Dvara. Karta and Karma Tanishta Kriyayaha. So Kriyayaha Adaraha. Kriyayaha Adaraha Adhikaranam. The locus of action. That is what we translate, right? Locus of action. That can
Yeah.
be of Karta or Karma. भर्तृहरिणा अपि अस्य एव निर्देशः स्वकारिकायां वाक्यपदीये कृत्वा असाक्षात् क्रियां धारयति तत् अधिकरणमिति अधिकरणस्य व्याख्या दत्ता वर्तते संक्षेपेण असाक्षात् मीन्स् नाट् डैरेक्ट्लि दट्स् व्हाट इट मीन्स् क्रियां धारयति यत् असाक्षात् he uses the word, don't confuse with व्यापारस्य आश्रयः और कर्तुः फलस्य आश्रयम् असाक्षात् not directly क्रियां धारयति. Therefore, that is adhikaranam, it says Bhartrahari. Then, Sankshepena Kriyayaha Prathamasthariyau Adaro Karta Karmacha Tata Tayoho Api Adaraha Adhikaranam iti Adhikaranasya Vyakhya Diyate. So, Kriyayaha Prathamasthariyau Adaro Karta Karmacha. So, Kriyayaha Adaraha is Karta or Karma. So, Prathamastariya means the first 30 years is interesting. No? 30 years Shabda. Okay. Prathamah tariyah pratamasthariyau adaro karta karmacha tayoho api adara. So kartr karmanoho api adaraha adhikaranam. That is what he says. Kartr karmanoho api adaraha eha bhavati tasya adhikarana sanya. Okay. Okay. Pratamastaraha means Pratamastaraha Pratamastariyo. That is what it is. 30 years on Pratyaya, I think. Pratamastaraha is first level. Taraha, that Adara and Karma. Kriyayaha Pratamastariyo Adaro Karta Karmacha. Tayoho api Adaraha Adhikaranam. Tayoho api Adara means Kartr Karmanoho api Adara. So at the first level, Adara Kriyayaha, that is Kriya Vyaparasya, Karta is the Adara for Vyapar, Karta is Vyapara Ashayaha, Vyapara Adaraha, Karma is Phala Adaraha. Tayoho api Adaraha Adhikaranam. That's what he says. At the first level, Kriyayaha, that Kriyayaha Ashayaha Kartari and Karmani Vartate. Palasya Ashayaha Karmani. Tayoho api Adaraha Adhikaranam. Okay. Adhikarana Trayasya Vedaha, we saw 3 types of Vyapaka, Upashleshika, Vaishayika. Vaishayika is Vishay Saptami. अधिकरणस्य त्रयः भेदः निर्दिष्टः लभ्यन्ते. भाष्यकारः वदति अधिकरणं नाम 3 प्रकारं, 3 types of व्यापक, 3 types of other अभिव्यापक, औपश्लेषिक and vaishayika. What are they? Already we have seen. What is vyapaka, abhivyapakam? यत्र एकः पदार्थः अन्य पदार्थं संपूर्णेन व्याप्नोति एतादृशं व्याप्नोति यत् द्वयोः पदार्थयोः सरलतया पृथक्करणं न शक्यते that is called vyapakam tileshu tailam where is the taila where is the oil it is throughout the tila the seed cannot say it is located in a particular place tileshu tailam very famous example therefore taila padartah tila padartat भिन्नः यद्यपि भिन्नः तथापि परन्तु सः तिलपदार्थे समग्ररूपेण व्याप्तः अस्ति समवाय संबंधेन वसति न्याय लैंग्वेज समवाय इट इज इनरेंट थ्रूआउट तथा च तं सरलतया इत्युक्ते तंत्राणां सहायं विना that by some technique tantra तिलात् पृथक् न कर्तुं शक्यते you cannot separate तिलात् पृथक् करणं न शक्यते tila cannot that you cannot separate it from the tila the tailam cannot be separated without any technique without any means therefore idam vyapaka adhikaranasya udaharanam similarly dadani sarpihi is sarpis is ghee which is where it is pervaded entire the milk, right? Cannot where it is located, we cannot say. Pushpe sugandha, which part of the pushpa is more fragrant? We cannot say. Gate rupam, rupa the form in the gata, which part? Neck or bottom? No. Abhivyapaka, gate. Sharkarayam madhuryam. This is Ramakrishna Paramahansa's famous example. Which part of the sugar will be sweet? All the parts are equally sweet only. Sharire cheshta, another good example. All these are abhivyapaka example. You cannot separate these two. That is, it pervades the entire thing. Abhivyapakam. Upashleshika is contact, point contact. Yatra ekah padartha anya padarthasya kevalam kanchana amsham vyapnoti. Pervades only a part. Tata cha dvayoh padarthayoh pratakaranam sambhavati. Api saralam api. तत्र उपश्लेषिकमधिकरणमिति उच्यते यथा देवदत्तः कटे अस्ते पृथक्करणं सम्भवति is located in the cart not pervading the entire cart not the legs not the back of the cart right so अत्र देवदत्तः कटस्य प्रत्येकम् अणुं लघुवंशं नैव व्याप्नोति अतः इदम् औपश्लेषिकाधिकरणस्य उदाहरणम् is not pervading the entire part of the kata. So therefore, it is Upashleshika. Gangaya Minaha, Aste Grantaha, Kupyam Jalam. What is Kupi? From the top to bottom is Kupi only. So it is no, Jalam doesn't pervade. If it pervades, then you can say, even if you cannot say, because what is Kupi you have to define. It doesn't pervade the walls of the Kupi, right? Therefore, it is Upashleshika only. Maybe up to the brim of the kupa, then we may have water, fine. But what about the walls of the kupa? Jalam doesn't pervade the walls, like Tileshu Tailam. Therefore, it is Upashleshika. Grame Nivasaha. He lives in the village. Which, the entire village?
No.
Only in a house, that too in a particular house, particular room only, is God. Therefore, all these are example of Upashleshika. Upashlesham iti shabdasya, Upashlesha, taditurupam of that pratipadikasya, artaha samipyam iti asti. So, samipyasya adharena praptam adhikaranam api Upashleshikam iti namna nyayate. This we have seen Gangayam Goshaha in Vedanta Sara. That Gangayam Goshaha is an example for Jagal Lakshana. Remember, Gangayam Goshaha means not on the river is. Gangayaha tire tate. That's what we take. Vidyamananam Gopalagrahanam Samugasya ayam nirdeshaha asti. So Sami Pyarte it is used. Gangayam Goshaha in the case of Lakshana Vritti we saw Jagal Lakshana. That is different. Vedanta. But here it is Sami Pyasya in the sense of near the Ganga. So Gangayaha iti shabdena Ganga Samipe iti artaha pratiyate. Evameva dvare niyuktaha. द्वारस्य समीपे नियुक्तः इत्यर्थः मासे दीयते not the entire masa. Masasya samipe, near the month, end of the month, whatever it is. इत्यत्र सामीप्यस्य आधारेण औपश्लेषिकम् अधिकरणं विद्यते एवमेव न अपि तु व्याकरणशास्त्रे वर्णानां सामीप्यम् अपि औपश्लेषिक अधिकरणत्वेन गृह्यते. This is a very good example. This is called with parasaptami in Sanskritam, in the Vyakaranam, parasaptami, yes. Tasmin iti nidishte purvasya. This is remember the sutra?
Yes.
Iko yanachi. Abhinach follows. That is parasaptami. What is parasaptami? It is adhikaram only. It is upashleshika, following. So, parasaptami api upashleshika adhikaranam eva pradashyati. We say parasaptami. Okay. Nimitta saptami. Nimitta saptami is different. We will see. That's the ninth one. That is there. Nimitta saptami. The person does an action for which there is a nimitta cause. So, like the example, Charmini, Dvipa Haranam. We'll see that later. Nimitta saptami. This is parasaptami. Vaishika saptami is Vishaya saptami. Yatra sakshat samipyam uta vyaptihi na vartate. There is no samipyam, there is no vyaptihi also. There is no proximity, there is no closeness, or there is no vyaptihi. Parantu katanchit ashayasya bodhaha avashyam bhavati. But there is a bodhaha, knowledge of some ashaya is there. Avashyam bhavati. That is Vaishika. Like Guru Bhakti iti yatra, Chatrasya Guru Bhakti iti yatra, Chatrasya manasi, विद्यमानायाः भक्तेः आश्रयस्थानं गुरुः अस्ति भक्तिः अस्ति कुत्र अस्ति छात्रा is bhakti and where is the ashra, what is the ashraya of this bhakti manasi vidyamanayaः bhakteः bhakti is there in the mind for the student but bhakteः ashrayasthanam guruः asti therefore guruः becomes vishaya saptami. अत्र साक्षात् व्याप्तिः उत सामीप्यं नास्ति भक्तिः गुरुं नैव व्याप्नोति वा गुरोः समीपे तिष्ठति not possible. Bhakti not pervade the entire guru not near the guru परंतु आश्रयस्य बोधः अवश्यं भवति. therefore वैशेषिक सप्तमी. आकाशे कः आकाशे in the akasha there is the bird so it is not abhivyapaka. It is not abhivyapaka or samipya. It is not closed at all, so we cannot say. Samipyam api nasti akashe. Manasi sankalpaha shastre naipunyam sugrudai vishwasaha putre snegaha ityadi vidyamanam adhikaram api vaishekam bhavati. Kayyatena, the commentator to the Mahabhashya, to atra eka padartaha aparasya adhinaha asti iti sandarbham svikritya api udaharanani दत्तानि सन्ति जगत् ईश्वरे अधीनम् सेवकः राज्ञी वसति इत्यत्रापि वैशेषिकम् अधिकरणमेव एवम्. We have got Vishaya Saptami that is in the context of Vyakaranam, Samhitayam, etc. Samhitayam Vishaya, that is Vishaya Saptami. Here it is Jagat Ishware Adhinam Sevakaha Ragni Vasati. Here we have the Ashraya. Ashraya of this Ashraya of Jagat on Ishvara. Ashraya of Jagat Ishvare Adhinam. Eka padartaha aparasya adhinaha asti. One padartha is dependent on the other padartha. Sevaka Ragni Vasati. Sevaka lives. Ragni means he lives in the Raja. I mean, for the Sevaka dependent on Raja. So therefore, this is by Kayata, you can take this as a good one. Aparasya eka padartaha aparasya adhinaha asti vikritya udaharana dattani. Okay. So putre snegaha. Where is the snega for the putra? Putra vishaye we can say. Suhridi vishaye vishwasaha. Vishaya saptami vaishayika. Shastra Vishaye Naipunyam Manasi Sankalpaha. That we cannot say Manasi Vishaya and all. Wherever Vishaya, we cannot just add Vishaya, will not make sense then. Akashe Kaha, it cannot be Abhivyapaka, it cannot be औपश्लेषिकः. So, कगस्य आश्रयस्थानं. कगस्य आश्रयस्थानं आकाशः. Therefore, Akasha is Vaishayika iti. Sankalpa, Manasi Sankalpaha. Sankalpa is in the mind. Okay, I think we'll stop here. We'll discuss this further. More examples. With more example later. Okay.
Yes.
Vaishayika Saptami is Vishaya Saptami. The grammar, it is very clear. Samhitayam Vishaya, etc. Okay, we will discuss about Vishaya Saptami. Again, more examples in the next class. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः जी. धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद शरण जी.
धन्यवाद शरण जी.
धन्यवाद.